In this tutorial video, we have another Jamb Past Question on differentiation. Here we are asked to find the derivative of this function. So it simply means solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. It simply means that y is equal to 2 plus 3x multiplied by 1 minus x. The first thing to do is to expand this bracket before we take the derivative. So expanding this bracket, we get 2 multiplied by this, we get 2x. This multiplied by this, we get plus 3x. And this multiplied by this, we'll get minus 3x squared. So this is what we get, which is y. That means the y all over the x will be equal to, if you differentiate a constant, you get 0. But before we take the derivative of this, there is something we need to do. So we'll write here as y to be, we'll make this out. Negative 2x plus 3x, we get plus x minus 3x squared. So the next thing to do is to take the derivative. The derivative then means that the y all over the x will be equal to, if we differentiate the constant, we get 0. If we take the derivative of this, we get 1 plus x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. We also take the derivative of this. We have 3 multiplied by 2 x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So this is what we get. Rearranging this, we have 0 is gone. This is x raised to the power of 0 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we have 6x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. So what we have here, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 1 minus 6x. So this becomes our dy all over the x, or our derivative for the given question. For more on this video, you need to subscribe to this channel.